Yeah, you froze up.
Oh.
No, the joys of being in the Philippines. Hello?
Hello!
Hi! I am excited about this. But we have Taglish, which is a mix, and I think that's what's more common.
Really?
This morning, gumising ako ng maaga. Nag-ayos, nag-prepare,
Oh.
like that. And then it's the mix. And people say that, why are you doing that? Why are you code switching? And no, actually, those are words that we really use.
Wow. I know kamusta ka, I know salamat, and I know mesa and kama. That's all I know.
Oh, okay.
That's
Well,
all.
this would be interesting then. Yeah. Nasa garahe ang mga kotse.
Okay, it sounds like garage, garaje, and car, coche.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
My car is in the garage.
Close. It actually means the cars are in the garage.
Oh, the cars are in the
That's it.
garage. Okay. How do you write Tagalog?
Yeah, we use the Latin alphabet.
Oh, you do.
Yes. May kutsara at tinidor sa lamesa.
Okay. My spoon and fork is on the table.
Close. When we have my, the word my is just there is.
Okay, so it's like the word I, which is there is or there are.
In Spanish?
Yeah, in Spanish it's I. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We have my.
There is a spoon and a fork on the table.
Okay. Yes, exactly. Perfecto. Okay. Pwede magbiyahe sa Sabado.
I'm gonna say I can go to the party on Saturday.
Magbiyahe. Biyahe.
Oh, a trip. On a trip.
Yes.
Can I go on a trip this Saturday?
Yes. It can be a question. Yeah, it is the same way, written the same way.
Okay, so ka is you, ko is I.
Yes. Ko ako. Yeah. Ko is shortened. But yeah, it's actually ako. Nasa kahon ang tasa at baso.
Oh, a cup and a glass. Like a taza and then a vaso. Right?
Yes. Nasa kahon.
Cajon is drawer.
Oh, is it a drawer?
I don't know. Is that what it is? Cajon?
Okay. Yeah, cajon actually is a box.
Okay. Oh, sure. Or a box. Right. Lots of words are like very the same or very similar.
Pakisarado ang bintana.
Oh. Cerrado. Oh, the window is closed?
Okay. Yeah, closed. Yeah, you froze up.
Oh.
No, the joys of being in the Philippines. Please close the window.
I see. Okay.
And paki is please. We don't have a word for it. It's a prefix. We attach it to the verbs.
Oh, interesting.
Nate, paki-read. Paki-read sentence.
Please read.
Yeah, just please read. That's back Taglish. But yes, paborito ko ang kape at pandesal.
Whoa, okay.
Paborito ko ang kape at pandesal.
Okay. Oh, okay. So there is salty bread.
Mm-hmm.
There is coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And a
paborito.
And a burrito?
Okay.
I drink coffee and I eat salty bread?
Okay. Yeah. Not quite. It's actually favorite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and pandesal actually is a type of bread here. And
okay.
that's what we call it. And I guess in Spanish it's salty bread.
Yeah, it's the same thing, pandesal. Yeah.
Yeah, and pandesal is actually quite sweet.
Really?
It is. If we can award like a national breakfast bread, it would be pandesal. Ready na?
Ready. Cool.
Okay. Delikado. Merong aksidente.
Okay, so be careful, there's an accident.
Okay, yes, that's it. Paru-paro. Paru-paro.
I'm gonna guess it's a dog.
Yeah. Oh, no. Paru-paro is a butterfly.
Oh.
Yeah, paru-paro. And what is it in Spanish? I thought it was gonna be close.
It's mariposa.
Oh, wow, yeah. That is not close at all. Okay. Yeah, and this is a verb, and it's maechepuera. Maechepuera.
This is one word? It's one word.
Yes.
Maechepuera.
And it needs to be ignored. Yeah.
Ah.
And then, so Nate, pumupunta ako sa opisina para magtrabaho.
Okay. I have to go to the pool for my job.
Opisina. Opisina is spelled this way, and it's actually office.
Oh, of course.
Opisina para magtrabaho.
Oh, okay. So, I'm going to the office for my job.
Yes. Kamusta? Is it hard?
Kamusta? How do I say easy? Fácil.
Yeah. Madali.
Madali.
Yeah.
How do I say yes?
Oo. Yes.
And what's
and
no?
No is hindi. Hindi.
Hindi. Really?
Yes. Hindi. Oo at hindi.
Like Hindi, like the language Hindi.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Naiintindihan mo ba?
Yes.
Naiintindihan mo ba? Oh. Okay.
Do I
You
understand?
that one. Okay.
Yeah.
Gumawa ng eksena.
Eksena looks like escena, which is a scene.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is the movie theater. No?
Yeah, not quite.
No.
This is an action. So this is to make a scene.
Ah, to make a scene. Oh,
Which
interesting.
also means, in Tagalog, mag-eskandalo is to make a scene.
Oh, I see. Interesting. Okay, so make a scene is also kind of a slang that you have.
Yes. And then another trick word, we have invierna.
Okay, so it's I would assume the winter, but it's
No.
not. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, if it's a trick word, it's the summer.
Close.
The spring.
Okay, actually, here in the Philippines, we only have 2 seasons, and it's the summer, or the what they call the dry season and the wet season. We actually don't have spring, summer, fall, or winter. That's why invierno is a different word. Something annoying.
That is so fascinating. It's almost like because the winter, you don't really have a winter, and maybe to a Filipino person, the winter could be annoying or something.
Probably.
I don't know.
Yosi, which is actually slang for cigarillo.
Okay, so cigarette.
Yeah, cigarette. I knew you were gonna get that.
Yo siempre is going to be always, but it's a trick word.
Yes.
So it's gonna mean never.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Not quite. Siyempre is of course.
Ah.
Yeah. Wala akong nobyo. Wala akong jowa.
Oh, you don't have a jowa.
Yeah.
If I go to the Philippines, I will take you on a date. Okay.
Oh, okay, sure.
And we'll eat.
And then I would say Nate, siguro.
Seguro, maybe.
Siguro, but I will see you next time.
All right.
When I see you.
Perfect, Daria. Thanks so much.
Salamat.
Ingat.
Salamat.
Bye.